Welcome to our walking tour of Mission San Luis Obispo de Tolosa, one of California's most historic and beautifully preserved missions. Founded in 1772 by Father Junípero Serra, this mission played a vital role in the Spanish colonization of California and remains an active parish today. As we explore, we'll step back in time to discover the mission's unique L-shaped architecture, historic church, peaceful courtyard, and museum filled with artifacts from the Spanish and Chumash eras. You'll learn about the mission's past, from its early struggles, including attacks that led to the use of red clay roof tiles, to its growth as a center of agriculture, faith, and community. Located in downtown San Luis Obispo, the mission is easily accessible by car, bus, or train, with parking available nearby. After our tour of the mission, we'll cross the plaza to visit the History Center of San Luis Obispo County, housed in the historic Carnegie Library building. There, we'll explore exhibits showcasing the region's indigenous heritage, Spanish and Mexican periods, and early California settlers. So join me as we take a step back in time and uncover the rich history of Mission San Luis Obispo and its surrounding landmarks.
They moved their meeting to next Monday, which is I'm going to be in town. Yeah. Oh, there you go. They usually do them on Mondays or Tuesdays anyways, yeah. But because they made sure to schedule this one around you. Before people are retired, they can
What bothers you about these shoes? Your OCD with the person just said their legs crossed. They're just about you. That's just right and right to that. Oh yeah, it is. You see those you larger part of it. Did you see this silver stone part? Did you see the Chinese guitar? There's a guitar to me, but that's supposed to know that. They have like an example of the style.
Hindi tayo papasok. Silipin ko lang.
Y por la celebración de esta Eucaristía nos haga dignos de participar del banquete de su reino. Por los siglos de los siglos.
You understand, no? You understand what you say? No, I don't know, dude. I'm not a religious person. What makes you think I'm... No, I'm thinking like... Oh, like either like...
Oh, maybe that one right there. Oh yeah, near where we parked, there's a restroom. Oh, you knew already?
After exploring the beautiful Mission San Luis Obispo de Tolosa, we're continuing our journey just across Mission Plaza to the History Center of San Luis Obispo County. This fascinating museum is housed in the historic Carnegie Library building, which was built in 1905 with funding from Andrew Carnegie as part of a nationwide effort to expand public libraries. Today, it serves as a window into the rich and diverse history of San Luis Obispo County, featuring exhibits on the Chumash people, Spanish and Mexican influences, the Gold Rush era, and early California settlers. Inside, visitors will find historical photographs, artifacts, and archives, as well as rotating exhibits that bring the past to life. Whether you're interested in genealogy, local history, or simply love stepping back in time, this museum has something for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this walking tour. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more walking tours and historical explorations. Now, let's uncover the stories that shaped San Luis Obispo County.
seafaring fisherfolk. The Solenan people settled in the upper Salinas Valley near San Miguel. Like the Chumash, they were hunters and gatherers who harvested acorns. In the east was Painted Rock, a sacred site for the Shaman, which is one of the university of knowledge.